Welcome back to the channel. This will be a quick unboxing. It relates to audio on the channel, and as you know, I sometimes do narrations and things over the top. I wanted to improve the channel, but I've also just joined up with ACX and therefore Audible books, you know, the books from Audible. So I'm going to be doing some projects. I've already got one lined up, which is fantastic news, but I needed a starter setup, a better setup of microphone, and of course only starter because I'm just starting. Right, let's see what's in here. First of all, there we go, Rode PodMic. Now I picked this one, it is a starter one, $87 they are on Amazon. It has quite a flat response and I have quite a deep voice, you may have noticed. I didn't want too much coloration on the bottom end. Anyway, the thing is I'll be able to do a lot more with EQ with quite a flat response. So hence the PodMic. In the other box, this will be the stand, because I obviously need to put that on something. That's what you get. You don't get the whole arm thing and whatever's that people normally have. But in this case I just want a simple stand. So let's open this up. It's from InnoGear. I think this was $20. So there we are, that's what it'll be in there. I wanted a pop filter. There is one on this already, but I didn't want to take any chances. So there we are, that's what should be in here. All looking good. Here's the base. Let's see what kind of, oh yeah, nice and chunky weight on this, and that's why I chose it as well, because it is a heavy base. Because that microphone is about £2, so it needs to be a solid base to hold the thing up. What else do we have here? Okay, the actual stand that goes on there. I'll show this set up shortly. And we have the other parts that go with it. Alright, so I'll put this together first. Now first impressions, nice solid metal. Let's see about the, yep, that turns fantastic. Good. I'll put it together and I'll come back in a moment. Now what I've noticed immediately, and I forgot to check, is that that's a 3/8 and I believe that is a 5/8 end. So I'm going to have to get an adapter, and it's a good job I checked that. Well, I should have checked it before I ordered, but they're only $6 for the adapters, and I'm pretty sure along the way I'm going to need plenty of adapters, so that's one thing to remember. And there we go with it otherwise set up. Alright, let's get this PodMic opened. There we go. Quick start guide. Tiny little writing, but there it is. Now to the mic itself. Okay, I never have too much of this stuff, eh? Always put that with 3D printing filament. Get this out. Alright, here is the microphone, and this thing is heavy. You could do a workout with this, you know, up and downward with the arms. Good heavens, about £2. So, yeah, the connector on the end. Well, wait a minute, no, that's still going to fit. Of course, it's 5/8 and 3/8 on the inside of it. Ta-da! My error was in fact not an error. It's good when you get to middle age, you forget what you've done and what you've looked at. But yes, inside is a 5/8 to 3/8. It's already adapted on the inside for this kind of a stand. So I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, well, that's a first. So there we are, that's the setup that I'll be using in future narrations, over the top of videos and what have you. Now to go with this, what I've also got is a few months ago, let me just get it from over there. Right, I got one of these Behringer UMC22 from Behringer, and that is for, that's the XLR input, so output here into this using an XLR type of cable. So that's the full setup that I'm going to be using. I obviously haven't even taken this out of its packaging yet, and the reason for that was I didn't have a microphone yet. Anyway, there's some more 3D filament protection, and here is the Behringer unit. So there you can see the XLR plug on the left hand side, and then we've got the gains and things. So yes, this will be the setup I'll be using. Obviously I haven't tried it all out yet, but what I'll do is I'll end the video with a small amount of audio from this setup. So here is an example of the microphone now in use. You can see it on the table. Hopefully I've done some footage anyway to show it. But here is the new microphone, the new Behringer audio interface, and the sound quality. Do let me know what you think of it, and see you next time.